Money Grub review video. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Epic Product Reviews here, back today with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you the product Money Grub. So why don't we dive into it? Anyway, guys, before we start, I'd just like to say Happy New Year. It may be coming close to the end of January already, but this is my first upload of 2022. So basically, Happy New Year to all of you out there watching this video. Now, onto the video. So, basically, what is Money Grub? Well, Money Grub is this amazing training course put together by three affiliate marketing pros. Now, those people are Mark over here, Kaleem over here, and Justin over here. Now, basically, what they've done is they've put together this absolutely amazing training course right here. This is just the front end. A lot of modules already. Now, they've put that together and it's all there for you. And it basically teaches you amazing stuff such as launch jacking and that making YouTube videos, promoting products, that kind of stuff. Now, basically, I'll be walking you through everything down in this video. Now, before we start, please, if you see that button down below and it's red and it says subscribe, please go ahead and click it because it helps me out a lot. And the more subscribers, the more review videos you guys will get. Now, if you do find me, enjoy my videos, then please do that. And if you don't mind, while you're down there, hit the like button so I can get more views. Anyway, onto it. So, basically, here we're in the front end members area, which is basically just the basic course. It's the cheapest version of the course that you can get. Amazing. Now, here we have the welcome. We're already here, and I've just scrolled through all of this. So basically that's Mark, Kaleem, and Justin. Now next we have the introduction bar. After this we have a lot of modules coming down. So I'll get started on this. Now this is the start of the training course right here, starting from product review video all the way down to how to create a bonus page. So it is actually quite a lot that you're getting in this starter training. It's really nice. Anyway, here you have review videos, what to say in your review video. Next, you have putting yourself on the review video. Following this, we have screen recording device. You can use Screencast-O-Matic or OBS, how to use Screencast-O-Matic, and how to use OBS. As well as that, after this, we have finding products to be able to promote. Following this, we have a slightly longer module, YouTube. So we have the title, thumbnails, description, and tube body. Now, here's one thing that's extremely important. While you're listening to this, training, you really need to pay attention because some people, they may end up actually potentially hearing something wrong and they end up messing it up. You must listen to this, step and apply. If you've been on my channel before, you will be familiar with it. If you haven't been on my channel before, well then I'll explain it to you real quick. Step and apply. Basically, what it is, you take what you've been told and you apply it. So basically, you watch the video and it says, first you have to open up Quora. You go to your browser and you open up Quora. Of course, you have to pause the video. Then you go back. It says, go to the search engine. Then you go to the search engine. That kind of thing. So that's just basically a clarification. Anyway, moving on. Ranking your YouTube videos and your account. First, we have audience retention, embedding videos, end screens, maximizing engagement signals, user reon, and finally YouTube Shorts. The end of that module, slightly longer. Next, we have Munchire, right here. And then we have Warrior Plus. Following that, we have JV Zoo and how to create bonus page. Now, this has a lot of modules to finish, but when you get to the bottom, you're finished. And if you wish, I'll be speaking about upgrades later, so you can see what you wish to upgrade to. Now here you have why to create a bonus page, Commission Gorilla, building a bonus page from scratch, adding a CTA and a countdown timer, editing the background, adding product images, details and OTOs, bonus thumbnails, who doesn't love bonuses, keeping it legal, so making sure basically it's not illegal, which is amazing, and SEO plus final checks, adding bonuses, cloning and editing, and last but not least, Chrome extensions plus the software. Now, I missed a couple of modules on purpose. So here, outside of it, we have case study, upgrades, and bonuses. So basically what happens when you buy MoneyGrub, you get free bonuses, which is super amazing. I mean, here, you just have the bonuses waiting for you right there. So who doesn't love free bonuses? I mean, I certainly, for one, enjoy good free bonuses. So anyway, moving on. Case studies. Now, this is case studies from real users that have used MoneyGrub. So first we have a case study from Gary, a case study from K Yalha, and a case study from Harjinder. Now, basically what they explain is they just explain about MoneyGrub and they explain about their success with it. Following this, we have upgrades. Now, I'll be on this page for a little bit long. So here, this is the first upgrade that you can get, Lava. Lava is basically a social booster system, and they go through several social media strategies that will not only single-handedly evolve your rank launching and rank your launch stacking videos YouTube account, but will also teach you simple tweaks, just small simple tweaks that you can make to increase your income anywhere from $500 to $5K. I mean, massive improvement. Over here, we have upgrade 2 for $27. A little bit more expensive from Lava. Caterpillar. Snapchat has approximately 370 million daily active users, and there are also online shoppers on there, 76% of them. Now, there are strong benefits to marketing on Snapchat because it's such a huge base. In this step-by-step video course, you'll get 10 videos with all the secrets and tips about Snapchat marketing. There are four additional bonus videos. Amazing. Now, I've said this probably 3 times in this video. How many bonuses are you getting from this? Absolutely insane. Honestly, thumbs up. Now, this product will be developed by experts. It is developed by experts, and they teach you everything that you need to know if you want to make money from Snapchat. Next, we have $47 upgrade 3, Evolve. Evolve allows you to grow done-for-you products of your own. Now, basically, what you want to do is, if you want to make a lot of money online, selling your own product is one of the ways that you really should try go and give more time to focus on. Basically, the solution using Evolve is a done-for-you product having private label rights, which means you get the ability and rights to change authorship of the product and a few other changes to make it product at least partially unique to the others. Second to last, $67 Cocoon. Now, here, this is where the students sell MoneyGrub as their own product, and they keep 100% profits. So basically what goes on is the students of MoneyGrub can take MoneyGrub and take everything they've learned. Super amazing what they can do. They sell it. It's simple. They sell it and they get 100% profit. So let's say they simply sell butterfly, $697. Oh, what's going to be in your back? $697. That is if you make a good review. Now, basically, the best part is they will take care of all of that support. Now, basically, you may be thinking, wow, seems too good to be true. Right there. I mean, like, they take care of all the support and you get to sell it for 100%. You just sit back. You just sit back and make your money. It's really simple and amazing, honestly. That's absolutely amazing what these guys are doing. Basically, after this, you have butterfly. Now, you see the price tag and I'm like, I don't know about that. That seems a little bit risky. Well, I'll be showing you why it's worth getting it. Now, basically, you get to be an official product vendor when you launch a product with them. Official. Next is you get to be a product vendor, and it's definitely the best way to build a buyers list and see a sizable amount of commissions flowing into your accounts. Amazing. Best of all, this is the main reason. The big deal of Butterfly. They do all the work and they pay for the professional sales copies. They pay for the designs, and you keep 100% of the buyers leads. 100% of them. I mean, that's a lot. That's a lot. 50% of the profits. Absolutely amazing. I mean, what these guys are literally doing for you, absolutely amazing. Now, thank you guys so much. That will be about it for this video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. And once again, Happy New Year. And let's hope that 2022 is a better year for all of us. Thanks. If you haven't still and you stayed to the end of the video, down below there is the red subscribe button. And also, if you can, please just leave a like. It really helps me out. Thank you. This is Epic Product Reviews signing out. I'll see you next video.